How to cancel one-click pay on Temu. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. First, open the Temu app and make sure you are logged into your account. You can find your account by looking at the bottom center of the screen where it says You. If you see your username at the top, you are logged in. Next, look at the top right corner until you see the Settings button. Click on Settings and then select the Payment Methods, which is the first option. If you have used one-click pay before, you should see that option available. As you can see, I don't have it yet because I haven't made a purchase on Temu. If you do see the one-click pay option, click on it. You should then see a cancel button or a similar option to disable one-click pay. Click that button. Afterward, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to proceed with cancelling one-click pay. Confirm your decision, and once it is cancelled, one-click pay will be deactivated on your account. This means you will need to manually enter your card information for each purchase moving forward. Please note that if you have used one-click pay in last 30 days, you cannot cancel it directly through the app. In that case, you will need to contact Temu's customer support and explain your situation. They will assist you in cancelling one-click pay. I hope you find this video helpful and that you successfully cancel the one-click pay on Temu. If this video helped you, please leave a comment below and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.